A digital certificate is like an online ID card that proves a website or a person is who they say they are. A digital certificate used to establish the identity of the application, ensuring secure communication such as over HTTPS and verifying that the application or its server is legitimate. It helps encrypt data, authenticate the identity of the server, and secure communication channels. So, when you visit a website, the website can show its digital certificate to your browser. This certificate tells your browser that the website is trustworthy and that the connection is secure. In short, a digital certificate ensures that the website you are connecting to is secure and that you are not communicating with a fake or malicious site. So, let's see what is a certificate for application. So a digital certificate is a cryptographic credential issued by a trusted certificate authority, CA. For an application, the certificate typically includes a public key, a key that is used to encrypt data or verifying signatures, and the private key, that is a secret key that is used to decrypt data or sign messages. Then the issuer information, that is the certificate authority that issued the certificate. Then there will be a validity period and subject information. So validity period will be the period during which certificate is valid. Then the identity of the entity that owns the certificate, such as domain name or application, will be subject information. So the types of certificate used for applications are SSL TLS certificate, that is for web application. Then code signing certificate, and that is for software application. So SSL TLS certificate, these certificate are used to encrypt data exchange between the client and the server to prevent eavesdropping and tampering. A website or an application server needs an SSL TLS certificate to secure its communication channels. So the types of SSL TLS certificates, like web application certificates, are domain validated. This is a basic level of validation used, like where the certificate authority verifies domain ownership. And organization validated, that involves a more detailed validation including verifying the organization identity. Then the last will be like extended validation, the highest level of validation, providing a green bar in browsers and confirming the legitimacy of organization behind the application. Then code signing certificate, which is for software applications. These certificates are used for signing application code, example like a software or scripts, to verify that the code hasn't been altered and that is come from a trusted source. So why we need a code signing is like, if a trust like ensures the application or update is from a trusted publisher. Then for integrity and user confidence, like which helps user trust that they are not downloading malicious software. So how does a certificate works for an application? So if we see for a web application, user visit a website using HTTPS and provide any link which indicates a secure communication, like HTTP indicates like secure communication. Then it happens like SSL handshake, the like a server sends its SSL TLS certificate to the user's browser. The browser verifies the certificate against the trusted CAs to ensure it's legitimate. Then, if the certificate is valid, a secure encrypted connection is established using the server's public key. The browser encrypts data sent to the server, and a server decrypts it using its private key. Then secure communication happens. The data is exchanged securely between the server and the client, and the certificate ensures no third party can read or tamper with data. So, if we consider it for software application, that is using code signing, a software developer or a vendor obtains a code signing certificate from a trusted CA. They use the certificate to sign their application or a software with a digital signature. Then the signed software is distributed to the user via download or installation. Then, when a user download or install the software, the signature is checked by their system to ensure it hasn't been altered. If the certificate is valid and the signature matches, the system knows that software is safe and hasn't been tampered with. So, how to obtain a certificate for your application? So, if it for SSL, like for a web application, so choose a certificate authority, like popular CS includes like Encrypt, Komodo, DigiCert, and all. Then create a CSR, like certificate signing request. So just create a CSR on your web server, which includes your public key and details like your domain name and organization info. Then submit a CRR to CA, like submit the CSR to your chosen CA for validation. The CA will verify your details depending upon the type of certificate. Then once validated, the CA will issue your certificate and you'll then install it on your web server to ensure secure communication. So if it's for a software application like code signing certificate, like choose a code signing provider like DigiCert, Global Sign, Komodo, or Semantic. Then apply for a certificate. You'll need to provide company or personal detail to verify your identity before being issued a code signing certificate. Then use the certificate to digitally sign your software, ensuring that your users know it hasn't been altered. Then share your signed application or software with your users via your website, email, or like software distribution platforms like anything. So the best practice for using certificates in application, like keep certificates updated, like certificates have expiration date. Always renew your certificates before they expire to ensure continued secure communication. Use strong encryption, like when choosing a certificate, use strong encryption standard like RSA with 2048 bits key or higher. So enable HSTS, like HTTP strict transport security for a web application. HSTS ensures that browsers only connect to your server over HTTPS. Then ensure that your certificate is issued by a trusted CA and verify the validity period. Always keep your private key secure and never share it. If the private key is compromised, you will need to revoke and reissue the certificate. So, to summarize, certificates for application are essential for ensuring secure communication, verifying identities, and building trust with user. Whether you are securing web traffic with SSL/TLS certificate or ensuring the integrity of a software with code signing certificate, they are crucial components for maintaining a secure and trustworthy application. Thanks for watching.